Today, we're diving into an exciting topic: how to turn your hobbies into a source of income. Whether it's painting, gardening, or playing an instrument, your passion can be profitable. Let's get started. We all have hobbies, those activities that we love to do in our free time. But what if I told you that you could actually make money doing what you love? Yes, it's possible, and today, we're going to dive into how you can turn your hobbies into a source of income. Step 1. Identifying monetizable hobbies. The first step in turning your hobby into income is identifying which hobbies have the potential to be monetized. Not every hobby will have the same income potential, but most can be turned into a profitable venture with the right approach. Start by making a list of all the hobbies you enjoy. Don't limit yourself, write down everything you love to do. Once you have your list, think about how each hobby could provide value to others. For example, if you love painting, could you sell your artwork online? If you enjoy cooking, could you start a food blog or offer cooking classes? Remember, the key is to find a hobby that not only brings you joy, but also has a potential audience willing to pay for your products or services. Now, let's move on to the next step: researching the market. Step 2. Researching the market. Once you've identified potential hobbies to monetize, it's time to do some research. Understanding the market will help you determine if there's a demand for what you want to offer and how you can stand out from the competition. Start by searching online for others who are already making money from similar hobbies. Look at their websites, social media profiles, and any products or services they offer. Take note of what works and what doesn't. This will give you a better idea of how to position yourself in the market. Pay attention to the pricing, quality, and customer feedback. Are people willing to pay for this hobby? What are the common complaints or praises? Use this information to refine your own approach. Don't be discouraged if the market seems saturated. There's always room for unique voices and perspectives. Think about what makes your approach different and how you can offer something that others don't. Now, let's talk about creating a business plan. Step 3. Creating a business plan. Turning your hobby into a business requires a solid plan. A business plan will help you outline your goals, strategies, and the steps you need to take to achieve success. Start by defining your vision and mission. What do you hope to achieve with your hobby turned business? Next, outline your target audience. Who are the people most likely to buy your products or services? Be specific about their age, interests, and spending habits. Then, set clear and achievable goals. These could be financial goals, such as how much you want to earn each month, or operational goals, like the number of products you want to sell or the amount of traffic you want to drive to your website. Your business plan should also include a marketing strategy. How will you reach your target audience? What channels will you use? Social media, email marketing, word of mouth? Finally, don't forget to outline your budget and financial plan. Knowing your costs and how you'll fund your venture is crucial for long-term success. Step 4. Building an online presence. In today's digital age, having an online presence is essential for any business. This is especially true when you're turning a hobby into a source of income. Your online presence will help you reach a wider audience and establish credibility. Start by creating a professional website. There are many user-friendly platforms like Wix, Squarespace, and WordPress that make it easy to build a website without any coding skills. Your website should showcase your work, provide information about your services, and include a way for people to contact you. Next, set up social media profiles on platforms where your target audience is most active. This could be Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, or LinkedIn. Share engaging content that highlights your hobby and interacts with your followers. Social media is a great way to build a community around your passion. Consistency is key. Post regularly, engage with your audience, and always provide value. Over time, you'll build a loyal following that can turn into paying customers. Now, let's move on to creating and selling your products or services. Step 5. Monetize your hobby. Now that you have an online presence, it's time to start creating and selling your products or services. This step will vary depending on your hobby, but the principles remain the same. If your hobby involves creating physical products, like crafts or baked goods, focus on quality. High-quality products will not only satisfy your customers but also encourage repeat business and positive word of mouth. If your hobby is service-based, like coaching or teaching, make sure you provide a top-notch experience. Understand your clients' needs and tailor your services to meet them. Personalization can make a big difference. Don't forget to price your products or services appropriately. Research the market to see what others are charging and find a balance between being competitive and valuing your work. You can also offer special promotions or discounts to attract new customers. Step 6. Marketing your business. Marketing is crucial to the success of your hobby-turned-business. The right marketing strategies will help you reach more people and convert them into paying customers. Start with social media marketing. Share high-quality images and videos of your work, behind-the-scenes content, and testimonials from satisfied customers. Use hashtags and engage with your followers to increase your visibility. Email marketing is another powerful tool. Build an email list by offering something valuable, like a free guide or discount, in exchange for people's email addresses. Send regular newsletters with updates, promotions, and valuable content related to your hobby. Collaborate with influencers and bloggers in your niche. They can help you reach a larger audience and build credibility. Offer them free products or services in exchange for reviews or shout-outs. Remember, marketing is an ongoing process. Keep experimenting with different strategies, track your results, and adjust your approach as needed. Now, let's talk about scaling your business. Step 7. Scaling your business. Once your hobby-turned-business is up and running, you might want to scale it to increase your income and reach. Scaling requires careful planning and execution. One way to scale is by expanding your product or service line. If you started with a few products, consider adding more options based on customer feedback. If you're offering a service, think about how you can reach more clients, perhaps by offering online classes or workshops. Automation can also help you scale. Use tools to automate tasks like social media posting, email marketing, and inventory management. This will free up your time to focus on growing your business. As your business grows, you might need to hire help. This could be in the form of employees, freelancers, or contractors. Hiring the right people can help you manage increased demand and maintain the quality of your products or services. Scaling a business is challenging, but with the right strategies, you can achieve sustainable growth. Now, let's wrap up with some final tips and encouragement. Remember, growth takes time. Stay patient and persistent, and you'll see results. There you have it! Turning your hobbies into income is not only possible, but can also be incredibly rewarding. Start small, stay passionate, and watch your hobby transform into a thriving business. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips on achieving financial freedom, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching.